Alright, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dragon039 and welcome to Heroes Reborn. In this video, we're going to cover the Heroes plugin, the classes you can choose, the professions you can play through, and how to use your abilities, along with the commands you'll need to know. The first important piece of information is the base command for gameplay, /heroes help. From there you can click through pages to view commands, and almost solely interact with the interface in order to select the class, or view the class information for what you want to play. There are 13 classes available in the game. These are the Hellspawn, the Necromancer, the Pathfinder, the Ninja, the Pyromancer, the Dragoon, the Chain Warden, the Chronomancer, the Arcanist, the Druid, the Enderbeast, and the Disciple. You can type /hero skills class name at any point to view which skills belong to a class, or type /hero tools class name to view the weapons associated with a class and their damage. Lastly, you can type /hero armor class name to view the armor available to a certain class. From the tutorial, you can select a class by pressing any button next to the class you'd like to play. Outside of the tutorial, you'll need to select your class through the Heroes Help page, or by typing /hero choose class name. Be sure to confirm your option once you've selected your class. After you've selected a class, an interactable menu becomes available with the /skills command. From here, you can start to use abilities for your level. Take the stick item for the skill you'd like to use and place it on your hotbar. Hovering the item is going to activate the skill if possible, and it'll start a cooldown timer on the stick so that you can track your abilities. Better yet, it can easily be bound to an item in your inventory, such as binding explosive shot to a bow if you're a Pathfinder, causing it to fire naturally on cooldown, or binding abilities like the Pathfinder's grappling hook to a string. This can be done using the command /bind followed by the skill name, while holding the item you want to bind it to. At this point, you can use the item you've bound in order to cast your ability. Lastly, there is a video available on the YouTube page that covers the installation of the Heroes mod pack. The mod pack includes a keybind mod that allows you to cast abilities after binding them to certain keys on your keyboard. You can see here on the screen that I've bound the ability grappling hook to number 1 on my numpad, like so. From this point, whenever I press 1 on my numpad, it'll instantly cast the ability if my character is able. Lastly, if you're curious about another player's class, you can always type the /hero info player name to view their statistics, or type /hero info to view your own statistics and player information. Next, we'll briefly cover the professions available to players. Whereas classes cover your combatives and survival, hero professions provide ways to generate income and further enhance your class. 5 professions currently exist. These are enchanting, alchemy, engineering, farming, and the smithing profession. You can learn more about any of these by using the same commands as for the hero classes. For example, /hero skills farming will show you what skills a farmer has at their disposal. The command /hero profession followed by the profession name will allow you to select a profession once you've reviewed them and decided what you want to play. You can also select a profession that you want to play through the buttons in the tutorial. An alchemist, for example, with his profession, might be able to create potions, but then would need to trade them to an enchanter in order to gain enchants for his weapons. This concludes the basic walkthrough of professions, and the first video covering the basics of the Heroes plugin. With more classes and features in the works, you can expect new abilities and adventures right around the corner.